I'm going to do a walkthrough of a tensioner I built for my VW bus. I just finished up sourcing the parts and fabbing up all the brackets and doing some machine work, some of the parts to get it to work. The V-belts on these cars do not work well initially because by design you get the belt nice and tight, but it still wants to flop all over the place. So I got this tension up correctly, half a twist, just like John Moyer's book, but it still has a lot of movement to it. So I could tension the belt up more, make it a lot tighter, make it harder to turn, and put some more wear and tear on the belt, or you could use what most cars, 100% of all cars use now, which is a tensioner. So it mechanically absorbs all that excess vibration out of it, and it's cut down a lot on the vibrations, as you'll see here in a second on the video. The other thing about this is it prematurely wears the belt out. You can see from all that movement, there's little hairline cracks in this. This belt's not that old, so this is really going to help all around, make it a lot smoother, make the fan run a lot more efficient. And I did this for not too expensive. Parts were about 50 bucks or so. Sourced them from Amazon and other sources. So what I have here is a bracket I welded, attaches the alternator, and then just a little mounting point right here. So the 2 tabs on the alternator, and then another mounting point to my throttle body right there. So I just finished powder coating the brackets, and I wanted to show you a little bit more about some of the machining I had to do to get everything to work right. So this is what the tensioner looks like. See the bare piece that I needed to work with, but the bracket I had to build to fit around the alternator, and it slips in there. The shaft that goes into the tensioner, you can see I had to machine it down to get it to work correctly, and so that the bearings could be able to slip on the shaft here. These used to be a V-groove, but you can see I machined it to where it was flat right there. So it took a little while, but I had to do both of them.